Peace, love, and light, family. Peace, love, and light. I am Picasso Cognizance. This is Resolute Fathers. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend about Resolute Fathers. Hey, if you haven't got the book, make sure you cop the book, family. I'm telling you, it's a lifesaver. I'm telling you, man. I'll be reading from chapter 9, and it speaks about how we know child support is under the executive agency, which mimics a court by the use of the judicial process of court to make it appear that they have the capabilities to effectuate court orders. Be mindful that administrative agency cannot give orders, but by your consent, they can enact an order against you. Okay. And also in chapter 3 on the separation of powers. Okay. This is speaking about the glossary of common child support terms. Now, listen to this carefully now. Office of Child Support Enforcement. That's what OCSE stands for, okay? The federal government responsible for administration of the Child Support Enforcement Program, created by Title 4D of Social Security Act in 1975. OCSE is responsible for developing child support policy. Okay. Oversight, evaluation, audits of state and tribal child support programs, and providing technical assistance and training to those programs. OCSE operates the Federal Parent Locator Service, which includes the National Directory of New Hires and the Federal Case Registry. OCSE is part of the Administration for Children and Families, that's ACF, okay, within the Department of Health and Human Services, that's HHS. Now, according to the glossary of common child support terms, what I just read to you, the federal corporation is contracted under DHS, which is an executive branch of government. There is no such thing as child support court, family. That's why I be telling y'all, man, y'all got to know the law. You got to know your parental rights, family. You got to know your parental rights. So you got to be mindful of this, okay? Now, the differences with Article 3 judges, listen to this carefully. Article 1 federal judges are not subject to the same protections as Article 3 judges. Article 1 judges do not have life tenure, and their salaries may be reduced by Congress, okay? Congress created several Article 1 or legislative courts that do not have full judicial power. Judicial power is the authority to be the final decider in all questions of constitutional law and all of the federal law, and here claims that the court of habeas corpus issues. Okay, so we got to be mindful of that, and that's what happened with Tyrese, man. He was in the wrong jurisdiction. He was in the Article 1 court. You know what I'm saying? That's why his constitutional rights or whatnot wasn't being heard, because Article 1 judges, they don't care about that. They want the money, family. That's what they want. That's all they're concerned about. You know what I'm saying? Just straight business. You got to understand it. Child support is unconstitutional. You know what I'm saying? It's a federal corporation, family. You got to understand this. It's a federal funding program. If you heard me saying this, I'm going to keep saying it. So, you know what I'm saying? So folks can know the game. And for you, attorneys and paralegals and the list goes on, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not trying to stop you all's, wallet or purses from getting fat. You know what I'm saying? But this channel right here promotes fit parents. And our parents that's unfit, that's who y'all attack. You feel me? So I'm educating my fit parents. You feel me? So we got to know the difference between that, family. Because it be some heat from them. You feel me? It be some heat from them. Now, federal judges can only be removed through impeachment by the House of Representatives. Okay? They serve until their death, retirement, or conviction by the Senate. This is dealing, with this type of information that we have to know, family. That's why I say, man, we have to co-parent. That's the best way. That's the best way to go. And I'm not saying, like I said before, I'm not promoting not to take care of your children. What I'm saying is you can take care of your children, but you don't need them. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't need them, the system, to be involved while you take care of your children. I mean, it's that simple, but make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend about Resolute Fathers. And if you haven't got the book, family, make sure you get the book. I'm I'm telling you, good information in it. Peace.